that after upgrading to iOS 18, your phone may experience bugs, such as reduced battery life and overheating. Downgrading to iOS 17 is the best choice. In this video, I will show you how to remove iOS 18. Step 1. Download iMyFone Fixppo from the bio in the descriptions below and launch Fixppo. Step 2. Click the iOS downgrade to downgrade from iOS 18 to iOS 17. Step 3. Connect your iPhone to PC with USB. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and above, instantly click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see this. Step 4. Fixppo will detect your iPhone system and show you the available iOS firmware version to download and downgrade. Click the download button to get the iOS firmware 4. Downgrading when the firmware is downloaded. Click the Start Downgrade iOS button for Fixppo to begin downgrading your current iOS version to older iOS. In a few minutes, the downgrading process will be complete. And your iPhone is now downgraded to iOS 17. Enjoy your iPhone, and your iPhone has been successfully downgraded. If you want to remove iOS 18 with one click, we highly recommend using Fixppo. Alright, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you found these tips helpful, feel free to share them with your friends. See you next time.